San Antonio homeowners, you already know that it's a super hot seller's market, but is that about to change? Can you still get top dollar for your home if you're wanting to sell before 2021 is over? I have the latest info for you on sales, pricing, and predictions for the late summer housing market here in SA. First, let's take a look at sales for July for the far west side of San Antonio, which are zip codes 78253, 254, 251, 245, and 023. I did add in Helota since it is so super close to the area. The average sales price, which has been steadily increasing all year, for homes sold in this area for July was over $294,000. That's a 4% increase in 3 months since April. Most sellers are still getting multiple over list offers, and that is driving the average percentage of list or asking price over 100%. Average days on market for the far west side are at an all-time low of 32 days. These are all great indicators that we are still in a very strong seller's market. But there is a key statistic that is hinting that this market may be changing. The number of new listings has increased from 5,400 in April to 5,800 in July. Now, this is typical for the spring and summer months, but it is definitely a good sign for buyers and sellers that are wanting to make a move from their existing homes, but maybe we're scared because of being able to find another home after selling. So the good news for you as a homeowner is that buyers are still demanding homes, and there is still not near enough inventory to answer that demand. This leads me into pricing. One thing that has changed over these past months is that buyers are no longer willing to overpay, waive inspections, contingencies, etc., as they were earlier in the year. So the pricing strategy when listing your home is more crucial than ever. Now, if you've even considered selling your home, you have most likely checked out all of the automated home value calculators. I know, everyone gets those Zestimate emails. But let me tell you, those sites are almost never accurate and can under or overestimate the value of homes by up to 20%. It takes an actual human real estate professional to calculate an accurate market value of a home, which is where I come in. My name is Tammy Dominguez, and as a realtor here in San Antonio, I study home values and the local housing market every single day. So here is my offer to you. If you are even just a little bit curious about the true value of your home, just click the link below. It will take you to a page just like this, where you will give me some basic info for me to get started. Then you will see a calendar page where you can set up either a Zoom call or an in-person meeting with me so that we can discuss all the details. Okay, last but not least, my predictions for the San Antonio housing market. Sadly, I don't have a crystal ball, but based on current trends, I think we will continue to see a slight increase in home inventory month over month. Builders are building new homes in record numbers, and sellers will decide to sell, upgrade, downsize, relocate, or even just to cash out on their current equity while they still can. There will be some buyers that continue to decide to wait until the market cools down, but there will still be a very high demand for homes in the area while interest rates are still low and people are moving to Texas in record numbers. Another shift that I'm seeing is that buyers will be looking more heavily into resale homes instead of new construction because of the steady and continued increase in prices from the builders. I hope that this gives you some insight into San Antonio's housing market, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.